Believe me. Believe me. Call me back. Call me back. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not mean it. I do not mean it. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. I just made it. I just made it. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I have no idea. I have no idea. Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I don't agree. I don't agree. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. I feel much better. I feel much better. They like each other. They like each other. I don't have time. I don't have time. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise. You are going too fast. You are going too fast. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. It's very thoughtful of you. It's very thoughtful of you. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? You are my reason for living. You are my reason for living. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I lost my watch. I lost my watch. We will be having a good time. We will be having a good time. I don't speak very well. I don't speak very well. He is very famous. He is very famous. Your name is on the list. Your name is on the list. How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. Could you show me your answer sheet? Could you show me your answer sheet? Please write down this address. Please write down this address. He scored a goal in the match. He scored a goal in the match. The sun rises from the east. The sun rises from the east. What do you like the most? What do you like the most? I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. I am very strict on this matter. I am very strict on this matter. I cannot agree with your opinion. I cannot agree with your opinions. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Please credit this amount to my account. Please credit this amount to my account. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I do not want to know anything. I do not want to know anything. Just shut up for a minute. Just shut up for a minute. I feel sad about your loss. I feel sad about your loss. This is your updated version. This is your updated version. I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? You will not be able to deal with them. You will not be able to deal with them. Did you get my point? Did you get my point?